All right, guys, what's going on? So we got another video for you guys from MXR. MXR sent us out a foam cannon to try out. So one of my neighbors does pressure washing and stuff, and I asked if he will help out with doing this video for MXR for foam cannon. Now, all my car people out there like to keep their car's nice, clean, washed up and everything, and a foam cannon does a good job of helping that out. So guys, link to this will be down in the description for this foam cannon if anyone wants to pick it up with a discount code down there, car dude, at checkout, save you guys some money. So yeah, let's get this unboxed, check it out, and let's wash some stuff. And then I got my cleaning stuff out here too. Let's unbox it, see what we got here. So we got a bottle, clearly. This is where you'll put your soap and your water and stuff in. Oh. So it's got two different attachments here. So this will attach to like a water hose, I'm assuming, or if you have like electric pressure washer, some of them don't have this setup on it, the quick release, that will thread onto here. But since we do have that set up for our pressure washer, we're gonna go ahead and put that on there. There we go. Tighten that baby down. All right, and then what else? Oh. And then you got a little suction hose in here. There's another tip in here too. I guess that goes inside of this. But we just need this one right here. We'll get that hose on there. And then we'll get our bottle. Go ahead and load her down with some soap. And then we'll just throw this stuff in there just so it can not blow away. Throw some soap in this thing. I don't know how you guys are with it, but I like to run a little heavy on the soap. Just so get the nice bubbles in that thing. So let's fill this up with water and get to work. Fill this up now. That down in there. We're locked in. Mix it up a little bit. Alright guys, now we got the white car out here. Go ahead and spray it down with some water. Get it nice and wet. Let's hook up our foam cannon, guys. Alright, and then up here you have adjustment for less soap or more soap. So, and then you got your fan here. Start this baby out. Oh my God, look at that. That's soapy, huh? Woo. Guys, I don't even have it turned up a lot. Like it's literally all the way more on the wet side, the water side than it is the soap side. It's all over my camera. You guys got it blasted. There, hopefully that's better. It's windy out here, guys. I'm sorry to get this on camera. Guys, I got you guys again. Now, go ahead and put our mittens on. Give her a click down. Go. Want to fire back up? Alright. Alright, now we rinse her down. Oh no, you guys got soaked. You guys are soaked. Oh, what do y'all think? Still wet, we gotta dry it and all. That foam cannon works really good. So if you guys have not checked them out, MXR, the link will be in the description if you guys are interested in this foam cannon. They got a couple different options. Guys, they laid it on there heavy, and I mean heavy. And like, I'll show you guys, look. So here's the knob. Let me wipe the camera a little better. So here's the knob, right? So this way would be more wet. See how I had it? It was about right there. Turn that way. Look how much more we had. Look at that, a turn and a half. And you guys saw how foamy that came out, you know? And they did a really good job, laid it on there heavy. And that was a quick wash. I mean, the car looks good, it's cleaned. We went over it real quick with the rag and wiped it down. So, and it looks good, you know? The whole car looks good. So if anyone is interested in foam cannon, link will be down in the description with the discount code to it and everything. Yeah, MXR, thank you once again for hooking us up and sending this item out. Now we can keep our car clean. So thank you, MXR, for sponsoring this video and helping us clean our cars here at CDG. And if anyone is looking, also, there's the part number. So check it out. So yeah, it's gonna be it for this video, guys. We're gonna go ahead and drive the car and get moved back up to the house, clean up our mess. So thank you guys for watching, and check out those links. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless.